16-year-old bitch.
They should take it to 10.
I got hoes.
Woke up to them talking like me. Woke up to bitches talking like me. Woke up to bitches talking like me. Woke up to them talking like. Oh, I think they like me in my white tee. Yeah.
I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star.
What it do to YouTube? Mans are back from Cancun, you feel me? Mind and Malcolm back up in this. I'm here with Haas today, the Thrift King. So we have a good video today. We're at VV. I'm not gonna really film in there because there's probably a bunch of weirdos. But what I will do is, if I see any gems, I'm definitely gonna get that on camera and I'll show you what I pick up afterwards. I'm looking for a couple things. Hopefully they have some clout in stock. You feel me? Hold on, gang shit. We have a Haas in his natural habitat. We out here live and direct in the trenches right now. It smells like old people. The secret to successful thrift shopping is don't give up. Perseverance is key. Perseverance is key, like with anything in life, you know? You wanna get good at basketball, you gotta shoot balls every day. You wanna become fat, you gotta eat donuts every day. You wanna become a pro thrift shopper, you gotta thrift every fucking day, man. Serious, man. If you pull to a barbecue and your uncle's not wearing these, you know your stuff's not nice, bro. Here we have a foot condom. Yeah, we got some stepped out 11s. There's a bunch of stuff here. You never know you can find a thrift, to be honest. What?
Wow, congratulations!
Nah, you gotta be kidding me, bro. You gotta be kidding me, bro. How much is that? How much is that? No way. That's a call to come up right there. Okay, so we just finished up with the thrift right now. We got some steals. I'm gonna show you that when we get back to Haas's crib. But you'd be surprised, man. Like, people pay an arm and a leg for clothes all the time. You can find good shit. You just have to be stylish. That's the key. Because you can have like $1,000 shoes, $10,000 jeans or whatever. But you still look like a bum.
You're corny.
And that's not how we're rocking. You got a dark skinned friend. They're like
Hey, what can I get for you?
Hey there, can I get a motherfucking a 3-piece combo with spicy, please? Caliente.
Yeah.
And that's it. Can I have another order too? Rice?
Fries.
Rice and beans?
No, fries, please.
Oh, fries. And then for your drink?
Iced tea.
Iced tea, please.
Okay.
And that's it.
$21.
21. Alright, party people, we're back for the thrift now. We got Bear pickups and Popeyes. Here's our man Haas. As you can see, we got a lot of shit. I'm gonna go through a couple pieces, but honestly, man, look at this, man. Look at this, man. And of course, we got first piece we got was this American piece right here. Has the girl on the front and a sick design on the back. I'm gonna have a box somewhere like around here. I'm trying all stuff on because you know I got to flex on these mans, you know. Another piece is that vintage Kappa. This is like from like 2003, 2004. Now it's making a resurgence. It's cool. A couple more pieces. Bombs over Baghdad. This has a special spot in my heart. Yeah, pre this, man. This is Dipset right here. Hey ma, what's up? It's crazy. And couldn't forget about my Canadians, man. The good old hockey game is the best game you can make. The thing about thrifting is you never know what you're gonna find. And that's why it's always gems. Like this is all here's, man. All here's. Oh, what's this? Oh, $5? The come up, man. The come up, man. You already know how we rocking that shit, boy. You already know how we rocking. But yeah, the key to thrifting is persistence, frequency, and location. If you go where all the young bloods are going, you're not gonna get any luck. But if you go like to like far away from your house, like 20-30 minutes. You never know what you're gonna come up on, to be honest. And you know I'm a big Travis Scott fan, so I definitely had to pick this one up. Birds in the trap. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you right now. Me and Haas are up to something. See, all these vintage clothes, they're not just for me and him, you know. We gotta share the sauce. We gotta share the juice sometimes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a link to our secret Instagram in the description. And if you're from YouTube, you can have a little discount code and I'll sell them to you for the low. So make sure to check it out. It's gonna be down in the description, okay? Okay. Okay, man, you sound like Tony Montana, man. Okay, man. Okay, man. Cockroach.
She just wanna come around and kick it, She don't wanna worry about them bitches, no bitches. She just wanna